Hey piano adventurers, what if I told you that in just 5 minutes you could play a song that sounds this good? I'm Thomas, and today I'm showing you how to play a stunning piano piece even if you never touched a piano key before. No complicated stuff, just pure fun and instant results. Plus, I've got a free surprise for you at the end, so let's jump right in. Here's what you will master by the end of this video. Impressed? It's crazy simple, I promise. Whether you're a total beginner or just want a cool party trick, this is for you. So let's start with one little trick to find your notes. Look at the black keys on your piano. See those pair of two? The white key snug between in them is D. Think of it like a dog between two ears. So, left of D is C, then B. Alright, right of D is E, F, and G. So let's play a game. Find C. 3, 2, 1. Got it? Okay, now G. 3, 2, 1. There. Also here. All right. You're already a pro. Place your right thumb on C and your left pinky on the C 1 octave below, about 7 keys down. Let your fingers rest on the next 4 keys, D, E, F, G for both hands. Comfy? Good. This is your launch pad. Oh, and find the right pedal. Press it to make everything sounds magical. So here's your first pattern. It's the heartbeat of our song. Left hand pinky, thumb. Right hand thumb, middle finger. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now try with me and pause if you need to. With the pedal down, it sounds like this. And a little faster, it sounds like this. See? You're making music already. Let's spice it up. Left hand stays the same. Pinky, thumb. Right hand changes to thumb, pointer. So, left pinky, left thumb. Right thumb, right pointer. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that tiny switch, it's what makes this song pop. Now, let's combine them. Play pattern 1 twice, then pattern 2 twice, like this. Pattern 1, 1, 2. Now pattern 2, 1, 2. Got it? Let's speed it up a notch. Crushing it! That's the song's foundation. Want to make it yours? Shift your right hand up to the next C and try this pattern. Like this. Or shift both hands up like this for a brighter vibe. Or play all the notes at once for a chord version, like this. Or move it up just one note, like this. Alright, and here's the whole song. Pattern 1, 4 times. Pattern 2, 4 times. Pattern 1, 2 times. And one variation, we have a third pattern. Now, ring finger 2 times. Ready? Go slow, then rock it. First slow. Pattern 2, pointer. Pattern 1, middle finger. And ring finger. And faster. And there it is. You just played a legit piano song in under 5 minutes. How awesome are you? And a quick tip. Most piano beginners slump their hands like this. Don't. Keep them curved like you're holding an apple. It's comfier and faster. This little fix make you sound like a pro way sooner. Trust me. Want to keep the magic going? I've made a free cheat sheet, a free piano course, and extra bonuses. Click the link below, drop your name and email, and it's yours. Oh, and subscribe to my channel. Next time we are learning a famous song in under 10 minutes. You won't want to miss this.